Hey, Getty from GettyStewart.com here with some fresh cranberries, and we are going to make our very own cranberry sauce. It is going to be delicious with just a little bit of orange and a little bit of ginger. It's going to be a sauce like no other. I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to make. So we have about 3 cups of cranberries. Now you can use fresh or frozen. Most of the baggies that you buy are about 3 cups or 12 ounces. So we're going to add those to our pot. A cup of water, orange juice concentrate, and we're going to add sugar. Cranberries are super high in pectin, so they gel, they become thick very easily on their own, and you'll see that. So we don't need any thickener, any starch or anything like that in this sauce. It's going to do it all itself. I'm gonna let this come up to a boil. It's gonna start popping and bubbling, and that's when we'll return. All right, time to add the ginger. Now, if you wanted to, you don't have to add the ginger. You can add a little bit of cinnamon or cloves if you prefer that flavor, and the orange zest. I highly recommend the orange zest, and just a touch of salt, and that is it. Those are the simple ingredients that go into cranberry sauce. At this point, we just want to let it thicken up and for those cranberries to break down further and become softer. And as it cools, it's going to get even thicker. So I've turned off the heat and I'm going to let this cool a little bit. You'll see that it thickens out. If you wanted to have a finer, more jelly-like cranberry sauce, go ahead and put it through a strainer, or even consider pureeing it a little bit to get a finer texture. But we love it just the way it is.